Well, what we got to do is replace a pipe. This is at the far end of the property where we have to do the pipe. As you can see, one piece is sticking up there in the air that I dug up. And from there, we're heading south back to the picnic table area. And it's a nice long drive. The pipe's real close to the pine tree roots, and about twice a year the pipe breaks. I'm getting tired of repairing it because it takes time to dig it and then piece it back together and everything and get it to work again. So it's time. I've been threatening to do this for the last few years. I need to put a brand new pipe all the way down, basically in the path where I'm driving the golf cart right at the moment. From the north to the picnic table, it's around about, I say, 1,000 feet. So it's going to take a little dab to do. And I figured we can start it, get everybody together, and we try to get it started around about 11 o'clock, and ever how long it takes. I'll try to get it prepped on both ends so we can do it. And I have to look at the date that I'm planning on doing it. I'll have it in the listing, exactly what I want to do the project. But I figure probably Saturday around about 11 o'clock, get started on it. It probably wouldn't take that long if I can get enough of volunteers to help me out. And as you can see, we're going up to the picnic table and where the shower, the faucet is. I already have that dug out and already found the pipes there, what to connect to. And then we'll get the water connected back up so everybody can use.